Why do some people turn obstacles into opportunities while others crumble? The answer lies in attitude. When you decide to embrace challenges, you ignite a fire within that propels you forward. Think of every setback as a setup for a comeback. Every time life throws a curveball, it's not to break you, it's to mold you into the warrior you were meant to be. You must understand, greatness is not a destination, it's a relentless pursuit. Comfort is a trap disguised as safety. If you're too comfortable, you're doing it wrong. Step out of your bubble and dare to tackle the hard stuff. Confront your weaknesses, your fears, and the things that make you uneasy. When you face them head-on, you shatter the chains that hold you back. Remember, diamonds are forged under pressure. The tougher the battle, the sweeter the victory. So stop waiting for the right moment. There will never be a perfect time. It's about making the moment perfect. Get out there, fight for what you want, and unleash your hidden potential. Transform challenges into fuel for your journey. The world is waiting for your greatness. Go out and claim it.